Did you know that the average Thanksgiving meal takes 7 hours? Oh my gosh. Holy moly. Some people take 12 hours. What are you all doing with your lives? Well, what if I told you, and I'm one of them, but I don't take 12 hours. What if I told you that you could make your Thanksgiving feast in less than 3 hours? You would say you're lying. You can do it, and I'm here to tell you. Chef Ashton Keefe is here to share her tips and tricks for creating the ultimate Thanksgiving feast, complete with a turkey, 2 sides, and a dessert in less than 3 hours. Madam.
I mean, it is possible.
Really?
Yes, okay.
And you're not cloning yourself?
I'm not. I tested it yesterday.
You're not running out?
Nope. An hour and a half of prep and then an hour and a half in the oven. And this is for city dwellers.
Sure.
Smaller gatherings.
Sure.
Or just people who don't want to spend 7 hours. I do this for a living and I don't want to spend 7 hours.
I don't want to spend 7 hours.
No.
Okay.
By the first glass of wine, I'm like, okay, let's sit down at the counter.
Let's sit.
Yes,
So a lot of people, I remember growing up, Titi Dora, God rest her soul, she had that bird in there for like 8 hours.
Yes.
I mean, it should be done in 3-ish, right?
It should be done in 3.
Okay.
So my philosophy for this is we're going to use ingredients that in multiple different ways, in multiple different recipes. We've got 2 sides, a bird. I have 2 options for a bird and a dessert here. I have a wine too, but you know, of course. And then the temperature on the oven is the same the entire time, which you have 1 oven in an apartment. You're not switching back and forth.
That's right.
So we're going to focus on 425 is the magic number that we're doing.
Okay.
3 hours. And let's start with some wine.
I mean, are we doing Beaujolais? What are we doing?
We're doing Beaujolais. So yesterday was National Beaujolais Day before all of the national days.
Even if it wasn't, it's fine.
Third Thursday of November. Thanksgiving is the 4th Thursday of November, and so National Beaujolais Day is when this wine is from this year, so it's fresh and it's vibrant. 2025. This is I know, it's amazing. George DeBoeuf Beaujolais Nouveau. It is a new, fresh, vibrant wine. Also, what I love about it is that there's no tannins, so you can drink it in the morning, like literally when you're getting ready. I'm not even joking. But then you can drink it with the turkey and everything else. It's a great all-day wine. It's crushable, as the kids say.
This is why we're friends. Brush your teeth, take some wine.
It's crushable, as the kids say, the young kids say. But it's really delicious. You can chill it down. It's so good. It's so good. About $17.
Fair.
Okay, so now we're moving to the turkey. You put this in the oven first, 425.
Okay.
2 different ways to do the turkey. Spatchcock is like all the rage.
When she's like a book.
She's a book.
She's like in a gymnastics thing.
You have your butcher take the backbone out. Do not do this at home. Just have your butcher do it. Don't be a hero.
Does spatchcocking bring down the time?
It does, because you're making it one flat surface, and you're also, think about this. This is kind of just like a large chicken breast.
Right.
So this is going to take about an hour. Lots of salt on it, and then and you also don't have to brine it because it's going to cook quickly. And
okay.
I do like a compote butter and just stick it all over on top. And
what kind of chives are in there? What's in
This is chives, parsley. I think there's a little bit of rosemary.
Okay.
But you can buy compote butter too.
But it's fun to make it.
It's fun to make it, and you can that's like the extent of what you need to do, and it'll be a moist bird. And then I like to do a sandwich bird. So you just do a breast, so that if you want for the next day, you just roast this, and this can go in the oven, and obviously you can eat it, but you can also keep it the next day for sandwiches.
No way.
Yeah, so I do a sandwich bird,
And do I go and ask for a sandwich bird?
And that's probably my phrasing for it.
When I go to the grocery store, what am I looking for?
You're just looking for a turkey breast.
Turkey breast.
Turkey breast.
That's
just roast that. Yeah.
I'm going to go to the deli counter. I'm looking for the Ashton Keefe turkey. Okay, sides.
Okay, sides. 425. So we're still sticking. This is in the oven. Then we can stick this in. Okay, so Brussels sprouts, really easy. Olive oil, salt. We're not going to change the playbook here because it's very easy.
Yeah.
And so this is kind of like your veggie side.
Something green.
Something green. Yeah. And then stuffing cupcakes. So I like to individually size our dessert and our stuffing.
I mean, you've done shortcut. Now you can be a little extra.
It's cold and flu season too. We gotta be mindful.
Come on.
But I'm using cornbread in here that I've kind of just let sit out, cut, so it's a little bit dry. And then I put apples in this. I mean, this is nothing.
Were those leeks? Was that celery?
This was celery and onions.
Okay.
Sage, obviously. And then I do eggs, and then just a little bit of broth to kind of moisten it.
Okay.
And then this goes into my
God.
my muffin tins.
I have to amend my menu. I just showed you my menu, and now I have to do this. This is freezer section.
Yes, so this is puff pastry. I stick this in here, and we're making our apple pie cupcakes. Same idea. So I do apples, sugar, cinnamon,
So you did
flour.
a sweet muffin, a savory muffin, and the oven is still at 425.
Yep, still at 425. And so then I put a little cinnamon in here, and then I mix this up, and then these are my apple pie cupcakes that I made a crumb topping for. But yeah.
You did the whole meal.
Each thing is only about 20 minutes in the oven. Brussels sprouts are about 20 minutes in the oven. These are about 20 minutes in the oven. These are about 20 minutes in the oven. So I even say when you pull that bird out to rest, which is going to take an hour.
Yeah, she needs some time to rest.
You pull her out to rest. You stick everything else in, and then
you have your glass of wine.
You have your glass of wine, 20 minutes, and then you can carve up your bird.
I'm mixing this like we were actually going to put it in an oven.
Well, we can put it in the muffin tins if you feel so inclined.
Ashton
but
Keefe,
yes.
you never disappoint.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you so much. I have to rethink my entire menu now.
I know. And also you can freeze this too. So if you can freeze this, you can freeze this.
What if I want to eat it right now?
Well, you can eat it right now
Okay,
too,
good.
obviously.
Follow her on Instagram, please. I mean, it's the best recipes, it's the best ASMR, it's the best everything of everything. You can also find more about what we just did here today, recipes and tips on her website, ashtonkeefe.com.